Hello people, and for today we're going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Discord. It's literally the first option you can do. You can go to the settings and you can edit your profile here, or you can also just click on your profile itself and then click on the edit profile. I don't remember when they added this option, but there are a lot of GIFs that we can use. I mean, maybe you can upload your own GIF, but for today we're just going to use an image. Okay, so here we have a picture. You can also, adjust if you want and just apply. Now, if you try to close without saving, you can see that it actually reminds you that you haven't unsaved changes. Let's just save that, and there we go. And I hope that has helped you out. That was for today's video. If you do have any questions, you can always leave a comment down below. And if this video helped you out, you can like and subscribe. Thank you. See you again next time.